Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Don't mind my hair today please. Today I'm going to show you everything that I bought for my room makeover. Did I say room makeover? I meant desk makeover. I bought a lot of stuff and I love it all so much and I'm very excited to show you. So let's just get started. First I bought 2 candles. This is the first one. It has a Dutch text on it. It says enjoy, but then in Dutch. I got this at a Dutch store. I do not remember where I got this. It's not scented though, so it'll probably be more for decoration. They had different texts on it, but I just like this one. Enjoy, like enjoy your day, you know. Then this is the other candle. I love this one so much. It's so cool. So it says relax on here. It's not engraved or something. It's actually like on it, which I think is so cool. It is scented. I don't know what scent exactly, but I really like it. This one is from Primark. This is like actually like stone-ish. It's actually kind of heavier and everything, but I thought once the candle is burnt out, I can just clean the inside and use it again. Then I also bought this. It's a little bowl thingy, and I thought this would be perfect for my jewelry. I also got this at a Dutch store at the Blokker. I love it so much. It's pink and cute, and it kind of like looks like a flower, and I love the color so much. I'm so very much into this kind of pink. Then I also bought this from AliExpress. I thought this might be good to like hold my pens or like on my makeup stuff. I don't know if I'll be actually using it, but I just thought it looked okay. It's made of plastic. It has like little holes. It's good. There's nothing really wrong with it. I just don't know if I'm gonna use it. Then I have this plant with the plant pot. They were separate, but they were like this in the store and I loved it. This is from my new favorite store. I saw this store. I'd never been inside, but I loved it. It's called Dille and Camille. They're like this sustainable store, which isn't even that expensive. I want to have everything that they have. Like, it's the perfect store. It's literally my favorite store now. So I bought this over there. I want to keep it alive. It's so pretty. Look at it. And I also bought a flower pot. I don't have anything for this yet, but I might. I just really like the pot. To me, it kind of looks like an upside down rainbow. Does that make sense? This is really like the bohemian aesthetic. I also bought this at a Dutch store called Sandals. I just really liked it. And I have some basket thingies. This is the first one and also the best one. I think this one is also from Dille and Camille. I just thought this was perfect for my keys and stuff, and it is absolutely perfect and I really like it. I believe it was like €3 or something. Then I also got this one. This one's a little bigger. I bought this one for like my scrunchies and everything. It's perfect for that. I bought this one also at a Dutch store. This one's from the Action. They might also have that in Germany and Belgium or something. I don't know. Then I also have this one. This one's actually secondhand. I bought it at a thrift store. It's kind of big actually. I thought this would be great to put in like my hair products and stuff and like my deodorant, stuff like that. I haven't tried it out yet, so I don't know if it's actually great for it, but we'll see. I like that there's like this fabric around it. It was $1.75, so incredibly cheap. I love thrift store so much. You can find the best stuff there. Then I also got this little thing. It's a pencil case. I got it from AliExpress, so I can link this one down below. They also had it in blue. I thought it would be a little bigger, and I thought the pink would be a little bit lighter, but it's fine. I do like it. And my pens fit in it, so that is great. I have to show you these pencils that I bought. Look at this. They're just normal pencils, but they're like pastel colored, and I love them so much. And they fit perfectly with these, with the pastel markers. How aesthetic. Then I also bought this. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna be using this for, but I did really like it. They're basically pieces of fabric. If you can't tell yet, I'm kind of into the cottagecore aesthetic right now. I just thought this was so cool. They're just pieces of fabric. Look at that. It looks pretty good as well. I can't lie about that. I know this is so incredibly random, but I just really liked it. Then I also got this. It's a set of bigger and smaller posters and pictures and stuff. There are a bunch of smaller pictures. Here you have a little bit bigger pictures. Yeah, these two. Really like this one as well. Very cottagecore aesthetic. Then you have 2 bigger ones. Again, this is all kind of for my desk makeover that is coming soon. It also came with these, but I don't really care about that. Then I also got this. This is kind of like a fake book, and I thought it would be like cute to put stuff on it or something. I can like put my lamp on top of it and like this beside the lamp. It says delicious places, and this this is the back. Oh, by the way, this is also from AliExpress. Then I also got this from the thrift store. I don't know exactly what I think about the picture frame, but I just really love the picture. I mean, look at it. Again, very cottagecore aesthetic. I just really liked it. This one was $2.25. Then I also got a mirror. I got this one from H&M. It was 10 euros. I just wanted something new, so I went with this one. It just goes well with the white and everything, so I thought this would be a great mirror, and I really like it. I definitely recommend it. I believe they also had this in black. Then I got another mirror. This one's also from AliExpress. It's the heart mirror. I had to. Where I'm gonna put this yet exactly, I don't know. I just saw this on Pinterest a lot. I looked on AliExpress for it, and of course there it was. I went with this color. You had different colors, but I like this one, and it is indeed very aesthetic, so. Then I also have some of these little crates. I have the pink in 2 sizes, one smaller one and one bigger one, and I also have the bigger size in blue. Isn't this color so incredibly pretty? Oh my god. What I also like is that the small crate fits exactly in the bigger ones. I don't know if I'm actually gonna use it like that, but I definitely really like them, and I'm definitely gonna use them a lot. I also got this. It's like a digital clock thing, and I've seen this on Pinterest before, and I absolutely loved it. I was so obsessed with it. I had to have it as well. It also comes with a battery, so you can do that as well. You can put it down on this, but you can also take it off and you can hang it up on the wall. I love this one a lot, and I'm so excited to like hang this up or put it down somewhere. Then one of my favorites is this. It's a trash can. Doesn't it look so good? I saw this one and oh my god, I was in love instantly. One of the great things is that there's already like a bag inside, of course, because there are like holes in it. This one was 9 euros, I think. It's called Saustrine Greens. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but okay. They had it in different sizes. They had one smaller size and a bigger size, but I thought this one was perfect. I really love it. Then I bought this lamp from AliExpress. I absolutely love it, but if you watched my AliExpress haul, then you know that this isn't gonna be my new lamp for my desk. You can like change the brightness and change the color of the lamp. It doesn't give enough light for my desk. My desk doesn't get a lot of daylight, so I just need enough light there, and this doesn't give that. I'm so incredibly sad about it, but I do definitely still recommend it because it's so pretty. I'm so gonna keep it for when I move out. Definitely recommend it though. So instead I bought this lamp. This one's not from AliExpress. This one is also from the Dutch store Action. It's not Dutch, I think, but okay. So this one is kind of your standard desk lamp. You can move it around right here, which is really great. I didn't even know that. I got home and I was like, oh my god, you can bend it. It has like a wooden thing here. This is also wood. You just have an on and off switch, but I really like it. I thought it would fit perfectly with the rest. I'm so excited for my desk makeover, really. I also bought this shelf, but then smaller. I think it's half of it because this one's very long. You can't really see it. It's already hanging on the wall, so I can't show it to you. I still have to do my whole desk makeover, but I just wanted to do that earlier. I do really like it. It's from IKEA. That was everything. I'm very excited to do my desk makeover. It'll be here very soon. My plan is next week. Subscribe and like this video. Turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss my desk makeover because it's gonna be really good. I hope I will see you in my next video.